Hello, it's James from Minors and Brady, and today we're having a look at this recently renovated 4-bed property in the heart of Poringland, just on the outskirts of the fine city. Come and take a look inside. So as you enter the property, you are greeted by a beautiful lounge. I really love what they're doing with the panelling on the right, and the exposed floorboards really gives a lovely character feel to the property. And obviously not to mention this beautiful fireplace, which is perfect for those winter nights. Moving on from the lounge, you enter this beautiful open plan kitchen diner filled with bright lights and lots of open space, which is just perfect for dining or just socialising. This beautiful modern kitchen has a host of premium features, from the double oven to the induction hob with a built-in extractor fan, and of course the stunning skylight letting in a lot of natural light. So just off the kitchen we have a surprisingly large bathroom with lots of modern features and a large double shower. Moving into this really nice space, almost like a snug, which is really perfect for just sitting down and perhaps having a drink. Also on the ground floor, you have a second reception room with the same gorgeous features as the rest of the house. The current owners are using this as a second lounge. However, it works really well as an office or a playroom. It's a very versatile space, ready for you to put your own stamp on. Now on to the first floor in this beautifully spacious family bathroom. As you can see, we've got some beautiful colours going on that really complements the property. You've got a Jack and Jill sink sitting on top of an underlit unit. It really reminds me of a 5-star hotel. The property features 4 spacious bedrooms, all bright and airy, all big enough to fit large double beds. At the rear of the property, you have this spacious and private back garden, which is accessed via these stunning bifold doors, which lead off of the kitchen. Situated in the village of Poringland, you really have all the amenities you could need, from doctors to dentists, schools and shops, and you're only a 15-minute drive from the centre of Norwich. So if you're interested in beautiful properties like these, give Minors and Brady a call today and allow us to help you with your move.